Shibai Mizram, we're so excited. We're here now. We're playing a show for you tomorrow. We can't wait.
Tickets are available?
Tickets are still available, and we'll see you tomorrow. Offline, online, go get them. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Hi.
It was so beautiful.
You good? That's
So never seen anything like
Hello. Oh, hello.
No, he was such a...
There's a rumor that this is going to be your last tour as the Midnight.
Oh my God! It's reached the other side of the world. Yeah, it's true. I'm taking a step back from touring. Simply because as this band has grown, we've been doing this for over 10 years now. It's 10 years this year since we put our first EP out. And, you know, as it's grown, we're incredibly fortunate, but that also means more work on both of us. And it just really came down to a decision where my talents and my passion is best served to make more music. I'm currently finishing our next album right now, and so it means that we can actually play more shows and make more music and not have to, you know, I was spreading myself a little too thin, and so I will be taking a step back to focus on writing and production and doing remixes and
but a step back doesn't mean that anything changes with the Midnight.
No, that's the beauty of it, which we feel very lucky that Tyler and the rest of our, you know, band and crew, you guys are able to go play the music. I get to make music with Tyler, and we get to continue it and make more of it. So that's the story.
More music, yeah.
Okay, what will be the band setup this time? Are we going to see Nico Flores at this time?
Nikki's never
tomorrow.
Nikki's actually never toured with us.
Okay.
Yeah.
She's joined on a couple of shows when it was
when she was nearby.
Yeah, when she was nearby, because it's expensive to fly people out for, you know, for a whole tour. But we love her, and we would love to do more with her in the future.
And we're very lucky that Lilia Broussard has been touring with us since 2019, and she sings the parts that Nikki sang on the record. So she's amazing, and we love her. And Lilia can also play bass and sing harmonies, and
she's amazing.
Yeah, oh yeah, she's awesome.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So can you share some insight on what, you know, fans from Aizawl can expect from your performance tomorrow?
Yeah. Yeah, we played Bangalore last night, and it was
magic.
It was magic. It was a very amazing experience, and it really gave us a taste of the Indian people, the passion, the warmth, the generosity, the emotional presence that we felt, and it's really, when you play a show, you're feeding off the energy of the crowd. So if you have a crowd that gives you a lot, we get to give more back, and it just feeds back like that. And so I feel like even more so from the amazing, wonderful reception we've already received, tomorrow is going to be really special, and we just can't wait. This is already feeling very emotional and special. So yeah, this guy's like, yes, let's go.
All right, thank you guys.
Okay.
Yeah, should we take
any more questions or?
I don't think you would disclose your set list for tomorrow night, but can we expect Brooklyn?
I saw it on somebody tweeted it or put it on Instagram, and I think I commented. We'll see. I'll talk to Royce. I think we can maybe work that out. If everybody feels strongly about that,
it's very famous here.
It's very famous here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Brooklyn
Interesting.
is.
I guess we're playing Brooklyn.
And the place of our own.
Yeah, that's our favorite.
You got Brooklyn. You got it.
You all get to choose a song now. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ella. This is for charity, to go inspiration.
Can
Can you please come a bit forward?
Yeah. Okay.
All right, thank you,
All
everyone.
right. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Very excited.
Of course.
Your band, and I really like it.
Amazing. Well, tomorrow we'll have to have you meet Royce, who is a crazy guy. Crazy guy.
Right, most of his stuff.
He does cover of your songs.
Oh,
He's a
really?
guitarist.
Oh my gosh. Have you shared these on the internet?
Yes.
Okay, I need to go see it. I feel that's amazing.
Looks good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Guys, thank you so much. Thank you. All right. We'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, see you.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, guys.